So I'm on my way back from Algonquin, and right now I'm in Newmarket in Ontario. It's very close to Barrie and actually very close to Toronto as well. And this town is absolutely beautiful, especially the street I'm on, Main Street. I found this coffee place and they make amazing coffee. So wanted to take a break, stop and have a look around and maybe talk to you guys for some time. So the reason why I was in Algonquin yesterday was mainly because so that I can take photos of fall, and it's the beginning of October, so it's one of the best times to be in Algonquin Park if you really like fall colors, which obviously I do, and I did get some really good footage out of that place, and I can't wait to show you guys some of the pictures that I took as well. You must have seen the B-rolls I've already taken during the first portion of this video. So yeah, I know that place just looks unreal. The exposure's all over the place. It's a really nice day out today, so I just wanted to walk down Main Street in Newmarket, and you know what? Let me show you guys a quick little B-roll of this place. I just absolutely love how quaint this place actually looks. And there's so many different kinds of stores you can actually go into this, or just on this particular street. It's absolutely mind-blowing. There's fashion, there's places you can eat. I walked by so many different souvenir stores. Couldn't get myself to buy anything today, but I mean, just this particular alley itself absolutely looks so picturesque that you can't help but take a lot of pictures. Anyway, the reason I didn't vlog or do anything like that yesterday when I was at Algonquin Park is mainly because I just wanted to be there to take pictures. I did record some cinematic content for B-roll and other stuff, but that was it. Honestly, I did feel like I wasn't taking enough pictures this year, with the past year being me trying to make more videos for YouTube. I really wasn't taking enough pictures. I make videos on YouTube because I like traveling and also taking pictures. So if I don't really take a lot of pictures when I'm traveling, it actually lets me not be able to practice what I like doing in the first place. So that's why I just wanted to concentrate on taking pictures yesterday. I got chocolate all over me. It's all over me now. Anyway, well, it's a really nice day to actually hang out outside. I decided to grab ice cream from this local restaurant called Chocolates. You know what, instead of butchering the name, I'll actually leave it right here for you guys to check it out whenever you are at Newmarket. But yeah, the ice cream's really good. Absolutely feels like summer in my mouth. Absolutely amazing. You know what? I'm actually going to finish this and I'll be right back. Well, it was a really nice couple of days. Not going to work and just be in nature taking pictures. I really did enjoy it. But I do hope I get to travel more before winter is here. And I probably will. I'll bring you guys along with me again. So take care. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.